Tough assignment once again, Scott. We're here. 2,000 attendees are descending on Miami Beach. God, we're on the beach right behind me, folks. This is the annual Exchange ETF Conference. The industry now has $8 trillion in assets in the U.S., but it needs to keep growing. Let's talk about it. What's hot and what's not in ETFs? Tom Lydon from TMX VettaFi, the conference organizer, and Dave Mazza from Roundhill, who runs one of the current hot ETFs. That's the Roundhill Magnificent 7 ETF. What else is going on? Tom, you're always here with us. Give me 2, 3, 4 hot trends right now. What's everybody talking about?
Spot Bitcoin right out of the gate, Bob. This year we had 9 issuers and $10 billion in 30 days. Not bad at all. AI is also very, very
Artificial
hot.
intelligence.
Artificial intelligence is really storming. And then also, when we talk about Magnificent 7, you have to be there, but at the same time, how do you plan against the volatility as well? That's one of the things we're talking about.
This AI thing is amazing here. They're not doing how you pick AI ETFs. Right. They're talking about how you use AI to run your business, to run the business of being a financial advisor. How is that changing?
Jason Peralta on stage talking about how advisors can set up their own podcast. How do you customize content to different clients as well? If you embrace AI, it's really good as an advisor to be able to increase the size of your business, but connect with your clients more specifically.
Dave, you've got the hot ETF. Magnificent 7 launched a year ago. Much derision, too much concentration, and yet here you are raking in money right now. 6 of the 7 have reported earnings so far. What's next for this group?
Yeah, no, there's been a lot of attention on the Magnificent 7 because their performance has been so magnificent. And with 6 of the 7 having reported earnings, the momentum remains there. These companies are growing their top-line sales growth at 14%. If you look at the other 493, it's only 2. So investors in a low economic growth environment are flocking toward high growth.
I want to make it clear the structure of this. This is equal weighted, all 7 equal weighted, and it's rebalanced quarterly.
Yes.
That's an important distinction here. But there's a panel here. The financial advisors are really worried about concentration risk. There's a whole panel about broadening out. There's talk about quality, like QUAL, quality ETF, as an alternative, momentum ETFs as an alternative. Can you make a case that these 7 companies are so exceptional that they're going to continue to outperform even broader quality ETFs, for example? You understand the worry about the concentration risk.
I get it. The Magnificent 7 as a group is now trading over 30 times forward earnings, and it makes sense. People get concerned when there's so much concentration. But what's interesting is these aren't just 7 companies. There are 7 stocks. Inside of those 7 stocks, there's actually thousands of companies.
Yeah, I've heard you make this argument before. Low economic growth world, these are the companies that have economic growth. But as you mentioned, 30 times forward PE ratios here. Can they continue to deliver on the promise of high growth, of consistently high sales, consistently strong margin growth? That's what's going to take to get these amazing moves forward. They're up 13%. Your fund's up 13% in 5 weeks.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right. Time, of course, will tell. I can't predict the future. But again, right now, that is where the momentum is, a focus on high growth and high margins.
Tom, one thing I don't see here, not a single panel, international investing. China has gone away. It was the hot topic for years. Not a single panel discussing China. Investors are fleeing. There's a whole crop of ex-China ETFs that are out there right now. Why has everyone abandoned international investing?
Advisors right now are scared of emerging markets, specifically China. They're picking the content here on stage. Bob, they don't want to hear about it right now. Historically, that's pretty much a good buy signal, isn't it?
Where do we go from here now? The Bitcoin ETFs, we've got 9 of them presenting here. They're all over the place, pushing this on the financial advising community, and yet a lot of the advisors are terrified of the legal consequences. Is this an industry that can now safely recommend Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin for grandma, as I
We
like
do a
to say?
Bitwise survey every year, VettaFi does, and more advisors than ever are now comfortable making allocations. Most importantly, Bob, fixed income is going to be the hot topic here. You're going to be on with Jeff Gundlach talking about
tomorrow.
rates.
Bitcoin just popped over 50,000, by the way, guys. Thanks very much. Pleasure talking to both of you. Much more coming up on the hot ETF trends in 2024. That's coming up. ETF Edge, 1:10 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll talk to Tony Rockney from Morgan Stanley, Rob Harvey, the Vice President of Dimensional Funds Advisors, ETFedge.cnbc.com. Much more coming up there.